Another Hexploit video. We just created a fake Instagram account. There was not a lot of security features, and we'll be testing out different social media platforms to see the kind of security features they have and how hackers bypass them. See where we get stuck, where we get stopped. This is just for educational purposes only, so enjoy the video. If you have any other suggestions what we should try, leave them down in the comments. We reply to every single comment. Even if you're a keyboard warrior, we will challenge you because we love fun and nothing will stop us. Anyway, let's get to the video. So Twitter, now known as X because Elon Musk bought them, we'll be saying how easy it is to create a fake X account. Shouldn't be that hard, should it? So, and after this, we'll be doing a Facebook account. Apparently, I heard it's a little bit more tougher. So, we'll do a proof of concept soon about Facebook as well. And then we'll obviously move on to any other social media platforms you might think might be a challenge for us. And we'll try our best to bypass it. If we can't, we'll show you how hackers actually do it. Legally, obviously, because we want to show you how to stay safe. So, sign in, get Gork. What the fuck is Gork? Anyway, create account. So what we'll need, doesn't look like there's a lot of things which is going to stop us. So let's use the random user engine generator. We have a woman called from English and Wales, Australian country, and I've created, her name is Olivia Martin. So I have all the information. We don't worry about the phone number because we have our own one, which is an online phone number, which we use for verifications. It's 20 years old, January 2023. We have our own email address as well. Fake finance credentials, which never work. Company, Sunny Syrups, technician and trainer. Height 5'3". Tracking numbers if she ever sent something. Even a blood type, which is A+ apparently. Well, this video is going to be at A+, so let's go get into X. Right, we need a name, so let's copy a name. We do that. Copy. Go to names. Didn't copy. Why didn't you copy? Copy. Paste name. Sweet. Okay. You want a phone number? That's fine. Was it January? Let's say 13th. Was it 23? Wasn't it? 23. Right. So if you're going to use the phone number, we're not going to use this phone number. We're going to choose. Let's go to the top. This is a random phone number generator which you use to like verify stuff. I'm going to use this one. This is the most recent one. Screen, which means it is active apparently. So we're going to do click to copy. Copied. Go in here. Phone number. Paste it here. Wow, this is how scary it is that apparently this phone number is being used with someone else. What about this? Alright, so this is a first hurdle. If you want to use a phone number, you want to make sure that no one else is using it. Screw it, let's use an American one. Copy that. If it doesn't, we can switch always to emails. This is what I mean. It's trial and error. Enter a valid phone number. I did. Apparently it's not valid. Okay. Yeah, we got our first hurdle. Nice, nice. Canadian, American. Open. We use Spanish. Espanol. Paste that. Okay. Let's try a different phone number. Right. So that one is already occupied. What about this one? Is this one occupied? If it is, we're using an email. Yep. Alright, cool. Use an email instead. We'll go random user generator. Scroll down to the email section. This one. So let's, I don't know, choose Tell US. We'll copy that email. As you can see, it's copied. We go in here, we paste it. No one's using it. Sick. Get more over X. Receive emails about your X activities. Blah blah blah. Connect with people. Da, da, da. Personalized ads. Yeah, screw it. Make it as trustworthy as possible. They'll send us a verification. Oh, we think we received one. There we go. Your X 167534. 167534. That's a verification. Passwords, I don't know, let's say. Yep. Sweet. Will it sign us in? I don't know. Shall we upload a picture? Yeah, screw it. So we already have a picture from here. Show you why we found it. So user agent here, as you can see, random user generator. So literally randomly, apparently, it creates random people faces. You have women, you have gentlemen, you even have Legos if you really wanted to. The world, it is yours. So we're going to use that. Zoom in a little bit. There we go. Next. Don't know what's going on. Give it a minute, let it think. No, this I don't know why, because we tried so many phone numbers. My bad. We should have just started with email. We actually received a second email, as you can see. Your X account has been suspended. Her name, your account was detected by a system and automatically suspended for violating the X rules, specifically for. Huh. You may not use this as Right, so what if? Right. Okay. Oh, wait. And go to home screen. Yeah, they've clocked us. But this is what I mean. Some systems are good, but are they good enough? Let's try again. Create account. Right, let's start again. So obviously, as you can see, we came across our first hurdle. But no matter, because we have her. I'm going to copy her name. Paste that there. Use email. They might flag us again unless I put my VPN on and change my IP address. That's one way to do it as well if you get flagged. Just change your IP address. I'm going to copy that. It's copied. Go in here. Paste it. June 15th. Next. Sure. Oops, something went wrong. Please try again later. Yeah, they flagged that IP. So you would have to use a VPN. But this is what I mean. If you take too many attempts, as you can see, we already created a Twitter account, but it was flagged. We could appeal it, let's say, and they'll unlock it. Secondly, we did too many attempts with the same IP with a different phone number, which didn't match their system, which is kind of weird. But this is what I mean. There's some websites which are so easy, like Instagram. It took us less than 7 minutes. Well, minus the talking, showing how to do it, I could maybe do it in 3 minutes. This same, less than 2 minutes, you can create one. Next video will show you what kind of hurdles you can stumble across when you log in into Facebook. Because Facebook is a little bit more tougher, which is a good thing, but there's ways to bypass it. That's the scary part. We'll show you how in the next video.